Hey guys, so I am at KJ's Elegant Pastries located in Hoover, Alabama, and it's a pastry shop. They originally came from Alabaster, Alabama, and now they have two locations. One is in Hoover and one is in Birmingham. And right now I have a strawberry milkshake. It was supposed to have been in a mason jar, but the girl thought that they was out of them and they didn't put them in a mason jar. So right now it's in a cup, but this is what it looks like. And it's so good. It looks like it has cheesecake in it, strawberries, and right now it has melted because it's hot, so it has melted a little bit. It's so good. But this shop is so beautiful. It's like decorated like pretty pink colors, and the furniture is pink. Give you a walkthrough. So look at the pretty balloons. It's beautiful. They have ice cream, different flavors. They have cupcakes. You see the cupcakes. I got this one. Oh my God. And I think I got one of those. Let's see. This one right here. Do y'all make birthday cakes too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much do your birthday cakes run?
It just depends on
What you want? Okay. Do y'all do ice cream samples? Okay. Can I try okay. Well, there go a mason jar over there on the wall. I got that one. I got that one right there. But it is so pretty in here. What's this flavor? This flavor right here. That one? Yeah. Okay, can I try that one? Okay. She is so sweet. She's gonna let me sample her. Thank you. So this is strawberry, as you can see. It's good. Thank you. I'm doing you a walkthrough. This is pretty. Look at the setting of it. Like, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. Then you have a nice sign over here. K&J's Elegant Pastries and Creamery. It's located by Ross Bridge in Hoover, Alabama. Beautiful setting outside. It is so pretty. So I'm not really a strawberry lover, but I like strawberry flavoring, but I don't actually really care for the actual strawberries. Sometimes I'll eat it, but most of the time I won't. But it just depends. But this looked good. I couldn't resist this. I purchased these cupcakes right here. Looks good, don't it? Ooh, yummy. They also have cinnamon rolls. Big cinnamon roll. So as you can tell, I had like a craving for sweets today. I had a sweet tooth because I got this big old milkshake that I'm not going to be able to finish. And it's like melting. And I said, if you're a strawberry fan, you will love this. I'm just gonna have to use a spoon because it's like melted. This is so good. If y'all want to hear about many more good places to travel to and like new places that I find that's like restaurants, because I'm always going somewhere traveling, please subscribe to my channel, Adventures Good Eats with Candy. Let's hit the subscribe button. It don't take long to press that subscribe button and just show me some support. Oh my God, this is like dripping everywhere. Well, I promised my mom that I would bring her a treat back, so I guess I'll give her one of these cupcakes. So like if you have ever came to Ross Bridge and stayed at Ross Bridge, whether you went to the spa or stayed in one of the rooms, you probably, well, unless it was recently, they just came here, I think, like last December, she said. But they have been located in Alabaster, Alabama. But they moved their location to Hoover and also in Birmingham recently. And they closed the Alabaster location down. Look. If you ever come to Ross Bridge or just in the area, please stop by. It's Pastry Shop. It's a black-owned business. They have 2 locations, and they are actually doing good to have 2 locations, and it's thriving. It's getting a lot of customer service. If the customer service is good here, but they are getting a lot of customers like coming in and out. So I'm going to give them a good review because everybody was friendly. And this thing looks just like it's supposed to look that I had saw on the picture. Okay guys, so you have seen the mason jar strawberry cheesecake milkshake. Like I said, it's dripping because it's so hot. But I think I'm gonna pour it into my mason jar and take it to go. I know I'm finna make a mess, y'all. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Y'all don't laugh at me if I drop all this stuff. It's gonna be everywhere. But I'm not throwing it away. I knew it. It's everywhere. Let's see. At least I have me a free mason jar. The whole strawberry. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Adventures Good Eats with Candy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.